guys, welcome back to my channel, and today what I have for you is a delicious, very easy pumpkin cheesecake dessert that we love. I found this recipe on Pinterest quite a while ago, but we really do like it, and I thought you might like it for the holidays that are gonna be coming up, relatively soon. So let me show you what you'll need in case you want to make this pumpkin cheesecake. It's so good, and if you don't want to put pumpkin in it, you could put cherries in it, blueberries, chocolate chips. I mean, it's so versatile, and it literally takes roughly around 5 minutes to make. It's so easy. So let me show you what you'll need. Okay, you're gonna need one of these Keebler Ready pie crusts that are just the graham cracker, or you can use just a regular pie crust, but I prefer the graham cracker. Then you're gonna need some Libby's 100% pure pumpkin. Now you don't want the pumpkin pie filling, but with Libby's, it'll just, as long as it doesn't say pumpkin pie filling, you're okay. It'll just say 100% pure pumpkin. And you need a 15-ounce can of that. Then you're just gonna need one of these little containers of Philadelphia cheesecake filling that's just ready. All you gotta do is open up. The pumpkin pie spice, you'll need some of that. Okay, this is where I deviate from the recipe slightly. I like ground cinnamon, so I'm gonna put some ground cinnamon in it, and then some pure vanilla extract. I just use McCormick's, okay? So let me go ahead and open my cans, and then I'll be right back. Okay, let's start making this cheesecake. It is so good. Let me flip this down so you can see, okay? You just need your large bowl, and what you're gonna do is just open, this could not be any easier. Just open this cream cheese, the cheesecake filling. This is probably the hardest part of the whole thing. Okay, then we're just gonna dump this in here. I love cheesecake, I really do, and this one is so easy to make. And I wanted something that didn't take a whole lot of time, and this definitely does not take a lot of time. And then you're just gonna take your Libby's pure pumpkin, put it in here. Now the recipe calls for 2/3 of a can of this, but I like mine to be real pumpkin-y, so I'm gonna put the whole can in. And this is a 15-ounce can of Libby's pure pumpkin. Okay. Okay, now what we're gonna do is take our pumpkin pie spice and put 2 teaspoons of this in here. I love pumpkin pie spice. Okay. And then here's where I'm also deviating. I'm just gonna put 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon in it. And then I'm gonna put, oh, this smells good, 1 teaspoon of vanilla in it. Okay, now all you have to do is just combine all of this together, and then you have your pumpkin pie. It is so good. Makes you look like you've worked all day and you haven't. That's what I like. But if you like pumpkin and you like cheesecake, you'll like this recipe. And if you don't want to use, that much of the pumpkin, you can always just put the 2/3 like it suggests. But I really like pumpkin, and so does my husband, so And you don't have to put the cinnamon if you don't want the cinnamon. And you could use a mixer to mix this if you want, but I like to try to get a little bit of exercise. So I just sort of do it this way. So as soon as I get this well combined, I'll be right back. Okay, as you can see, I have it all well combined. I'm sorry about the lighting today. It's just really cloudy. I think it may rain or something. But it's well combined. Now you just take your pie crust. This could not be any simpler. And you just pour it in there. People will think that you have worked all day on this cheesecake, and you haven't. You don't bake it, you just put it in the refrigerator and let it set up, and it is delicious. Then you just spread it out. And like I said, if you don't want to use the graham cracker pie crust, you don't have to. Okay. Now, I'm going to put this in the refrigerator to chill for about an hour, and then I'll be back. Okay, I just took the cheesecake out of the refrigerator, and I will not confirm or deny that it's been in there for overnight, and I will not confirm or deny that there are 2 pieces missing. We just had to take a taste test. I mean, we have to bring you the best possible food and recipes. But seriously, it is really, really good. But you can see what it looks like after it's been in there overnight. It sets up really nicely. I would leave it longer than the hour that I said, but so let's go ahead and cut this, and I will sacrifice again and take another taste test. What I do for you all. Okay, as you can see, this is what it looks like. It really does set up nicely. And I'm going to put some Cool Whip on it. Because what is pumpkin cheesecake without Cool Whip? Now, if you like yours a little firmer, I would recommend that you don't put the extra whole can of the Libby's pure pumpkin in it. Just put the 2/3, but I like mine real pumpkin-y, and it doesn't bother me if it turns out kind of like that. Okay, let's take a taste test, but it is so delicious. If you love pumpkin and you love cheesecake, you will absolutely love this. It is so good, so creamy, and like I said, if you want your cheesecake a little firmer, just put 2/3 of the Libby's pure pumpkin. Otherwise, this is fine with me. I love it. So if you enjoyed this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Until next time, bye guys.